Welcome back guys here on Mr. Ben's YouTube channel with another video for you steering this beautiful Mercedes AMG 2020 model G63. As we have received many requests, today's video will not be a typical review as you have already read from the title. Today we will be driving this bad boy on the German Autobahn, washing it and showing you the sound differences between Comfort, Sports and Sports Plus. The king of all SUVs, an iconic legend since 1979, supported by Mercedes Benz Rhein-Ruhr in Düsseldorf. So let's go with a short and quick look around of this car. This AMG G63 is painted in Designo Magno Platin exterior color with the additional night package, huge AMG multi-spoke wheels in black and the red brake calipers. In the inside we have a full black and red leather trim which looks beautiful in combination with the Magno exterior paint. This car is equipped with a brutal V8 biturbo engine by AMG in a Falterbach which produces 585 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque and pushes the car from 0 to 100 km an hour in just 4.5 seconds. But more about that soon. Less talking, more action. Let's step inside and start it up, showing you the sound differences between Comfort, Sport and Sports Plus. So let's go for a drive in the G63 where we will be entering the Autobahn. Furthermore, we will be accelerating this car to the max speed and demonstrate you the AMG performance. all, the G is not a car to speed and drive fast. I personally prefer it more a car to enjoy and relax with a higher seating level and comfortable massage seats, to be honest. So the new model G63 is a huge improvement when it comes to driving and comfort. The predecessor was very hard to drive, especially on a higher speed. Like the new one literally drives like a S-Class. It's very smooth and still so dominant. Here we go. So let's go ahead and wash the G63. So that's it basically from today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please let us know below. Comment, subscribe and share this video. Wish you all a good day. Goodbye.